Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I absolutely love this snack mix from Sahale Snacks. If you try this snack mix, you will not be disappointed. It is so good. So I cannot stop eating it. It is like the perfect blend of sweet, a little bit tart, a little bit salty, and I love all of the textures. So this has dried apples, dried cherries, pecans, and walnuts. There's a little bit of maple sugar and brown sugar and sea salt, cinnamon. It is like the perfect bite. This is perfect to eat straight out of the bag, but it's also delicious as a topping for yogurt or to shake a little bit on top of your oatmeal. And it just adds a little bit of extra texture and some super delicious flavors. So I am just going to have to keep this in my pantry at all times because it's so good. So if you love a little bit of sweet and salty mix, you are going to absolutely love this mix, and that's my point of view.